Where is the report of this X-ray?
एक्सरे का रिपोर्ट सर उसी में रिसीव किए हैं। ये दीपक
आप रिपोर्ट मुझे बताइए ना, वेयर इज, आप अपने रिकॉर्ड में कुछ तो रखते होंगे।
नहीं है सर रिकॉर्ड में, वो एक्सरे
नहीं है ना, एक्सरे रिपोर्ट उनको जो दिया उसकी कोई कॉपी आप नहीं रखते हैं।
एनजीओ का था सर।
चलिए,
हाँ।
ये रजिस्टर से कहाँ दिख रहा है कि ये उन्होंने रिसीव किया है?
आगे सर मेंशन उसी लाइन में सर लास्ट में
लास्ट में क्या है मेंशन?
दीपक द्विवेदी लिखा हुआ है।
तो हमने दस्तखत नहीं कर दिया, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वो हमने रिसीव कर लिया?
That is why it is very important to preserve the copies of patient's record in the hospital. The court may ask you to produce these documents at any time. So now the question arises, which records to preserve and for what time those records should be preserved. All inpatient records such as case sheets, bedhead tickets, OPD papers, OPD slips, bills, regular lab reports, all office records including the summons and other registers like the intent register, etc., operation registers, ward admission registers, discharge registers, register of various procedures performed in different departments, and routine investigations like X-ray, USG, CT scan. These all should be preserved for at least 3 years. However, medico-legal records like medico-legal register, PM report, other medico-legal certificates like injury certificate, drunkenness certificate, sexual assault examination certificate, and MLCs, X-rays, and other MLC-related documents should be preserved for at least 10 years or until the final disposal of the case in any court. And one more very important thing, always obtain a proper receiving with the name, sign, seal, date, time of the person collecting the records from you. This can be very important as a doctor was being scolded by the court in the video to show whether the proper receiving was taken or not. If you want to gain such medical legal knowledge and save yourself in the future from these kind of proceedings, kindly follow me and comment MLC to join my MLC WhatsApp support group. Thank you so much.